Where do you want to go tonight?
I want to go to Margate.
But just for once, this one time I wanna go somewhere else.
I want to go to Margate.
But there is other places we can go to.
I want to go to Margate.
I know this place with a lot of nice girls.
I don't care. I want to go to Margate.
I know a place where the owners are celebrities.
I don't care.
I know a place that used to be the hottest place in Tel Aviv for the last 2 years. It's even have a hospital just in case you pass out.
I don't care.
I know a place that gives away free drinks.
I want to go to Margate.
I know a place that gives away free money.
I don't care. I want to go to Margate.
I know a place that won't let anyone get in besides girls, you and me.
I want to go to Margate.
I know a place with the exact size, shape, and people that goes to Margate.
Is this place called Margate?
No.
So I don't want to go there.
What is the matter with you? Did you lost your mind?
No, I just want to go to Margate.
I know a place that gives you 3 wishes, and you can use one of them to be launched to the Margate.
I don't care. I want to go to Margate.
Do you even listen to what I'm saying?
Yes, you said that you want to go to Margate.
I did not say that.
But this is what you meant. Can you take me to Margate?